Tutubi, lasing na ang katabi, hindi pa nabili. Yan ang sabi ni Jordan Anis na may YouTube channel na alam mag-trophies. What's up everyone? It's me again, Ryan Sumbeling, and welcome back to my channel. And for today's video, we're gonna do a bike check with this awesome bike, Giant Xtc Slr 2 2021. And I got ODI hand grip. Sobrang kapit nito, kaya kahit hindi ka mag-gloves, swabing-swabe sa rides. And this is a Troy Lee Design Signature Series lock-on mountain bike grips. The tire is a Giant Quicksand Plus 27.5 2.1. Sakto lang ang kapal, kaya hindi ka masyadong mahihirapan pagdating sa long rides. And of course, the crankset, it's a SLX 175mm long with a Welgo pedal. This is a 2x chainring, 36 and a 2060. So, you have a choice. Yeah, remember, we always have a choice. And guys, believe me, this part is a hard one. It's hard to pronounce. Yeah, it's a rear derailleur. See? So repeat after me. Rear derailleur. You got it? Congratulations! Oh, by the way, that was also a SLX RD. Yeah, much better. Oh, another derailleur. See? It's really hard for me to say. So sorry for my bad pronunciation. The shifter is also a SLX. And this is the right one. And I'm pretty sure this is our left one. Yeah. And this is a Cogs one. And please ignore the little kalawang and the kadena. Biglaan kasi itong aking pag-bike check. Hindi na natin naabisuhan ng may-ari. And Cogs is 10 to 45T. So swabing-swabe ito sa patag, maging sa ahon. And guys, I love these hubs. Tunog may kaya. Kaya pagdating sa trail, kayang-kaya ka ring dalhin. Because it is a 12 by a 142. Yes, this is a true axle mga kapatid. This is also a new design from Shimano, a micro spline. Only designed for a 12-speed drivetrain. And the front hub is a boost type. Yes, it's also a true axle 15 by 110. And of course, we have a Spank Spoon handlebar with a 800mm long, 35mm diameter, and 20mm rise. Our stem is a Davam F35, 35mm clamping diameter and a 40mm long. The fork is a boost one, 15 by 110. And they called Giant Chris 34 Twin Air. And this is a 100mm travel, 110 by 15 for the hub, 42mm offset, 27.5. Kapag boost type mga boss, pwede nyo siyang lagyan kahit 29 ear. Yeah.
Get up, get down.